next immersive experience. What's more to say?
Got to know the various LOBs and what are the insights of the company. Gave us a holistic idea about MNT as an organization.
Of immersion provided a great understanding of the travel industry and the tech associated with it. The best part about emotion is that before you get deep into your roles, you understand MMT as a whole, the business as a whole. You understand the various lines of business.
It's a very nice journey to have co-peers with me, and it made me to learn a lot of ideas and exchange ideas from different personalities and the leadership over here.
Hello to everyone watching on the other side. It has been a really great experience learning more about the immersion program, and I think this initiative is actually a really great opportunity for everyone to know all about the different business aspects of our company.
The immersion program helped us understand, what Make My Trip is as a company. And I think the whole idea is based upon that it is being considered as a 25-year-old startup.
So overall immersion journey was quite comprehensive. They've answered all our queries, gave detailed understanding on various logs, told us about the performance of each and every logs.
The overall immersion program with Make My Trip, it has been an amazing journey. From meeting the CEO of the company, from the founder, Mr. Deep, the aura he is having, the questions and the suggestions he's taken very supportingly, has done a great job.
It was a great experience so far, like being in this immersion program by, knowing and understanding all the business aspects from all the leaders' point of view.
A loyal customer of Make My Trip, it has been a great idea to know the business behind.
A delight to hear the leaders speak, Their thoughts are on another level. And they are the two true experts and the trendsetters, taking all of this on my journey ahead.
And what are the future plans of the company, which helps me to identify my role in the company and how I will make sure that's the company role.
Grateful to have the opportunity to ask our business related doubts to the business leaders and getting to know their point of view in the solution. Thank you.
What the actual vision is. So you get a direction towards what you're working for and how you fit in an entire company. So I think that's been pretty helpful, and you're not working in isolation. I think that's the best part. Thank you.
I have had past experiences as well, but I think Make My Trip has done a great job in terms of onboarding their employees in such a way that they know all the different aspects of their company, and it will definitely help them in their future.
What to bond with the leaders and what are their thoughts on it, and how we can continue our path in terms of growing as a travel tech company in India and in abroad as well, especially in GCC. Okay.
And knowing business and the company in a very detailed and fat up way. Thanks so much.
Create immersion program for anyone who's joining to a new company to break through and understand what actually company vision are and what you can take from a company perspective as a new joinee. Thank you.
We had a session from business leaders, founders, CEO. They make us understood like all the LOBs, how the company functions, supply, product, tech, multiple deals. So last takeaway from what I can say, what Deep always says, that customer is always right, and that's what we are going to follow.
It's a great opportunity, Bas.
The takeaway that I probably take it from here is that think big, innovate fast, and execute faster.
So it was a great storytelling with data back. I really loved the session.
Overall, the journey is great and the 4-day program is a great help for us. Thank you.
I think having that tech-savvy attitude will definitely help us flourish in our journey, and it has been the talk of MNT as well.
Also, shout out to Virinder for managing it so well and keeping it fun and interactive for us for the 4 days. Thank you.